Kids, today, hi kids, today I'm going on a special adventure to rescue one of my friends. In case you didn't know me and I'm new to you, I'm Crystal, a very important turtle that helps save the day. First, let's go see who we need to save. We need to save my friend, Maple. She is currently stuck right now on the top of a bed. Let's go save her. We're going to be on some tough missions on the way. Oh no! Why are you sad? Because I'm lost. Where do you live? I live on the desk. I'll help bring you there. Thank you, Crystal.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh, this is way too high for me to climb. I'm gonna need some help with my super rubber shoes. My super sticky rubber shoes.